Sup mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Gimiya was on the set of the Nescafe Blend and Brew. On Instagram post, Nadeko Gimiya uploaded the final video of his endorsement. Nadeko Gimiya captioned it, "Because Nescoffee believes you and the world inspire many more." The good things you do, no matter how big or small, you are not just revolving your world, but you are revolving the world a better place every day. Hashtag Nescafe, make your world. It shows that no matter how hard and tired the life is, just continue striving every day and you can be the inspiration of many people. Drinking Nescafe reminds everyone how beautiful life is. Yesterday, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's Birban received a beautiful flower with her friend Alibani Ruth. On Instagram post, Alibani Ruth was so happy to see Rosaya after the long period of time. It was sure that they've missed each other so much, and finally, Rosaya is now in Thailand and ready for her upcoming work season.